So hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to Weekend Automotive. I am Saurabh and आज मैं और एक वीडियो लेकर आ रहा हूँ आपके लिए. So today I am going to talk about this car which no one really bothers to talk about. So as you might have guessed, this is a Honda Amaze, but I feel this is a very special and a very rare Honda. तो आप वीडियो देखते रह रहिए और आपको पता चलेगा क्यों ये गाड़ी रेयर और स्पेशल है मेरे लिए एंड इवन इन द इंडियन मार्केट. So I am now on the coastal road doing 60 kph and this is a diesel car as you can see looking at the RPM meter कि ये गाड़ी रेड लाइन होती है 4000 RPM तक whereas the petrol amaze red lines at around 6500 RPM. So this is a 1.5 liter unit and it produces around 80 horsepower and 160 newton meters of torque. अभी आपको लगेगा ये तो काफी कम है compared to all the other competitors and in the modern age. But let me tell you, this is a diesel automatic and this is a BS6 facelift diesel automatic Amaze जो काफी rare है. Now let me take you to the history of diesel automatics. तो डीजल ऑटोमेटिक तो काफी टाइम से आ रही है इंडिया में in many models, right from Mercedes, BMWs to smaller cars like Volkswagens and a few Tatas as well, and Maruti Suzuki's also. I believe the Brezza diesel was also available in automatic transmission. But this car is a bit different. मैं बताता हूँ. ये है एक डीजल CVT. सो CVT मोस्टली आपने सुना होगा. ये टेक्नोलॉजी पेट्रोल गाड़ियों में काफ़ी सारी यूज़ होती है. पेट्रोल CVT ऑप्शंस बहुत है मार्केट में. बट इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट डीजल CVTs, I know only two cars which were ever sold in India. First was the Audi A4 diesel CVT, that was the 2 liter TDI. और दूसरी गाड़ी है ये Honda Amaze diesel CVT. Now, I don't know why most of the manufacturers didn't use this type of transmission in many cars. शायद वो ठीक तरह से कभी ट्यून ना कर पाए, या दूसरी चीज maybe this is a bit more expensive to manufacture to get the diesel engine and the CVT transmission combo right. But Honda nailed it. And I don't know इसकी marketing ठीक से नहीं की गई थी, या it was maybe because very expensive, और लोग ज़्यादातर मैनुअल गाड़ियाँ प्रेफर करते थे. Maybe that's why this did not hit the right spot in the market is what I think. Now my car is a 2021 diesel Amaze जो BS6 facelift है. I believe ये गाड़ी मैंने कुछ 15-20 डेज में ही बुक की थी जब ये डीजल अमेज फेसलिफ्ट लॉन्च हुई थी. एंड दिस इज BS6. मुझे न्यूज़ मिली थी कि BS6 डीजल्स बंद होने वाली है एंड आई नीडेड अ न्यू कार. आई हैड टू रिप्लेस माय ओल्ड जैज. सो काफी सारे ऑप्शंस आ रहे थे माइंड में. Below 15 lakhs there were two diesel automatic options which were not AMTs. One was the Kia Sonet diesel and second was this one. Now naturally Sonet diesel is a much more attractive proposition because it's a bigger car and it has that SUV vibes, though it's a mini hatchback is what I would call. But ये गाड़ी तो मेरे मन में बिल्कुल नहीं थी. सो किसी ने बताया कि अमेज डीजल भी डीजल ऑटोमेटिक अवेलेबल है और एक बार ये गाड़ी चलाकर देखनी चाहिए. नाउ द मैनुअल अमेज diesel was producing 100 horsepower, whereas the automatic was producing 80 horsepower, and torque was 200 Nm on the diesel manual, whereas on the automatic it was 160 Newton meters. So naturally लगता था कि ये गाड़ी काफ़ी स्लो है, मतलब इट्स ट्यून्ड ओनली फॉर फ्यूल इकोनॉमी, और काफ़ी एक लेथार्जिक एक्सपीरियंस होगा गाड़ी चलाने में. So now I'm staying in Mumbai, as you can make out from the coastal road. So एक डीजल अमेज इन द BS6 एरा टेस्ट ड्राइव ढूंढने के लिए भी बहुत मुझे प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, बट इवेंचुअली आई फाउंड इट आउटसाइड मुंबई. सो जब मैंने गाड़ी टेस्ट ड्राइव की, आई वॉज शॉक्ड बाय द परफॉर्मेंस. ओके, on paper the specs are very low key, but because of the lightweight construction, because of the relatively lightweight engine compared to competitors, and this CVT transmission is a boon for this car, trust me. And I will tell you one reason. In your traditional automatic transmissions, there is a lot of power loss in other transmissions. आपका torque converter हो, DSG हो, whatever. But in CVT, the power is like instant. You just have to think that I want to overtake this car and you will overtake it. That's what the difference is between a regular automatic and a CVT. This is a belt driven transmission और ये transmission में बिल्कुल भी lag नहीं है. Until and unless I floor it, it drives like a torque converter diesel automatic. And it is very fuel efficient as well. अभी मैं start stop traffic में दिन भर चला रहा था and this is the mileage I'm getting. I'm getting around 14.2 kilometers to the liter. But you know, the performance and the fuel economy which you get from this product is unbeatable. Obviously, Sonnet diesel is there, but it was a bit more expensive, and I wanted a smaller car for Mumbai driving. So let me tell you, I will just floor it. Look at the acceleration. Look at the RPM meter. It just starts flying. We crossed 80. Now we have to stay within the limit. But this is the instantaneous performance which I get in this car. Now डीजल ऑटोमेटिक सुन के काफी सारे लोग भाग जाते हैं. नहीं, डीजल ऑटोमेटिक हमें तो गाड़ी चलानी ही नहीं है, बिकॉज डीजल ऑटोमेटिक्स इन रीसेंट टाइम्स दे हैव बिकम बेटर. सो डीजल टॉर्क कन्वर्टर वाज द प्रेफर्ड ऑप्शन. तो डीजल सीवीटी के बारे में कोई सोचता नहीं था. When I heard about the Audi A4 diesel automatic CVT, that's when I heard from people कि it works really well. So I thought this might be the same case with the Honda Amaze diesel automatic as well, and I was right. So I will tell you, since 2021 till 2024, now भी 25 शुरू हो जाएगा within 1.5 months. मैंने BS6 facelift diesel Amaze automatic एक ही देखी है मुंबई में अभी तक. Only one car, and that was also MH04. So technically not in Mumbai. MH01 में मेरी I think यही एक गाड़ी registered है as a diesel automatic. मैंने एक भी गाड़ी नहीं देखी है. Now there are ways to make out if it's a diesel or not. First of all, rear badge तो ID tag आपको दिख ही जाता है. And if it's an automatic or not, this is very tough to know. But when this car accelerates, since it's a CVT, you know, there is no lag in shifting. So usually when a car accelerates, you see it going like that when it shifts gears. But this car, it will just go like that throughout its rev range, because it's a CVT, so there are no gear changes happening physically. So that is the other way to make out if it is a CVT or not. And that is how I had made out when I spotted the MH04 Amaze Diesel CVT for the first time in the BS6 disguise in Mumbai area, which was not in Mumbai again. So this is the reason why this car is a very, very rare breed. और आपको डीजल अमेज ऑटोमेटिक मार्केट में भी नहीं दिखेंगे when it comes for sale. But I will tell you, if you get a chance to drive one of these, you will be surprised the way it flies. Obviously, pedal to metal acceleration, it is very fast, but the transmission, the engine gets very noisy, it gets very vocal, and it's not a pleasant experience. But for day-to-day driving like this, it's very quick because, as I said, it's a CVT. It's just like driving, it's just like that Honda Activa, to be honest. It just accelerates like that. Even when I'm at the traffic lights, everyone gets behind easily in the rear view mirror, because this thing is so easy to get off the line quickly, unlike any other transmissions. So this is a very fast transmission for your day-to-day city driving. इनफैक्ट मैं बताऊंगा, अगर आपको कोई और डीजल सीवीटी भी मार्केट में दिखी, कोई नई गाड़ी आई, you definitely try it out, because this car has changed my perception of diesel CVTs. और एक चीज आपको बताता हूँ, we are the kind of people who run behind 0 to 100 timings and horsepower. But this car has taught me one more thing. Horsepower rating on the paper versus while driving it, there is a lot of difference. Do not fall for the trap on whatever you read on the paper, because it is all about how the gearbox and the engines are mated together and how it is tuned. As I said, this CVT transmission does not have any transmission losses, no power losses. So what I think is, while accelerating, there are a lot of less losses happening. So that's why this car is fast. I will give you one simple example. जो Volkswagen Vento आती थी 1.6 TDI. I'm not a 0 to 100 guy, but I'm telling you for you guys. So 0 to 100 of the Vento diesel was 11.1 seconds, 0 to 100 on a manual car. Whereas this car, Amaze diesel, this and that car was 105 horsepower. Remember, with 250 Newton meters of torque. ये गाड़ी है 80 horsepower with 160 Newton meters of torque. Obviously, this car is smaller and lighter. But the 0 to 100 of this car was under 12 seconds, 11.9 seconds to be precise. So the difference is not even 1 second. It's like zero point 0.8 of a second. So that is crazy fast. So right? This is just a 80 horsepower car, and still the way it accelerates, it's quite surprising. In fact, we know our favorite Honda is the Honda City VTEC, and the Honda City VTEC goes around 9.5 seconds from 0 to 100. Obviously, that was long ago in 2001, if I remember correctly, and this was launched in 2018, I guess. But in 2001, we didn't even think कि 2018 में एक sub 4 मीटर अंकलिश लुकिंग डीजल ऑटोमेटिक होंडा लॉन्च हो जाएगी जो होंडा सिटी वीटेक जितनी फास्ट होगी. होंडा सिटी वीटेक फैन बॉयज, प्लीज 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 डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ ये गाड़ी बेहतर है होंडा सिटी वीटेक से. Obviously, as a daily driver, this is a lot better because it is newer, has all these screens and a lot of features. So it is a much more usable daily driver. So yes, मुझे ये वीडियो में यही बताना था कि ये गाड़ी के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता है. एंड वेन एवर लाइक वन एनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव ड्राइव दिस कार, दे आर ऑलवेज सरप्राइज्ड एंड like they don't know why they missed this car. So that's what the magical thing about this car is. And the way it purrs, the way it crawls through traffic, it's amazing. And I just unlike an AMT where a creep function has to be added in the transmission. This, when you shift it into D from neutral, it just crawls like a torque converter car. So that's what makes it amazing. So the conclusion of my video is I learned a couple of things from this car. First, do not believe what you read on paper. You actually have to drive the car till you believe it. Second thing is CVT transmissions. CVT transmissions feel the more lethargic in petrol cars, but in fact, whenever now I hear a diesel CVT car, I get very excited because I have driven one of these, and it's simply amazing even in the city and even on the highway. Our cruising speeds on the highway are around 80 to 100 kph. That's what our roads are designed for. So वो तो experience मुझे काफी अच्छा लगता है गाड़ी में. The RPM is also between 2 and 2,500 on that speed. So आप काफी अच्छी फ्यूल इकोनॉमी भी अटेन कर सकते हैं विदाउट sacrificing too much of speed on the highway. And thirdly, again, diesel BS6 तो अभी गाड़ी है ही नहीं मार्केट में. In the sub 4 meter segment, I think this was one of the last cars to be sold. I don't think any other sub 4 meter diesel car is available in the sedan format. So just let me know if I am wrong. I am reading your comment section. So that's what makes this Honda Amaze diesel now a gem, especially this automatic one. I know the manual one was a much more bomb car to drive because it was 100 horsepower. But if you look at the convenience which this offers in 2 pedals compared to the manual one which comes with 3 pedals, this is an unbeatable combination. और यही reason था मैंने manual Amaze diesel नहीं ली थी. I went for automatic. Because looking at the performance figures, the driving experience, ये गाड़ी diesel Amaze manual को easily match कर सकती है. And this is what I love about this car. मुझे लगा ही नहीं था 20 years ago कि मैं एक diesel Honda चलाऊंगा, but here we are. This car is much faster than the Honda Amaze petrol manual and even automatic. The petrol CVT feels very lethargic. It's a terrible experience to drive, at least the older one. I don't know about the newer one. But with this car, I think for me, this car tick marks all the boxes. It has good space, it has good comfort, the handling is good, the performance is good, the fuel economy is good, the driving comfort is amazing. You just have 2 pedals. So in city traffic like this, especially in metro cities like Mumbai, and if you are from towns like Delhi, Bangalore, चेन्नई, तो आपको तो पता ही है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, कितने हेजिटेशन होती है 3 pedals यूज करने में. सो ये गाड़ी, आई थिंक दिस इज अनबीटेबल. और अगर आपके पास भी कोई डीजल ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी होगी तो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ हाउ यू आर एंजॉइंग द एक्सपीरियंस. हाँ, और अगर आपके पास डीजल अमेज ऑटोमेटिक होगी तो प्लीज मुझे जरूर मैसेज कीजिए या अदर कमेंट कीजिए या मेरे इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे जरूर मैसेज कीजिए, दैट इज सौरभ KMPH. आई वुड लव टू हियर अबाउट दैट बिकॉज we are all car people towards the end of the day, so we are looking to meet like-minded people. So yes guys, so that's it for my channel. I request you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video. मैं और भी ऐसे अलग अलग वीडियोस आपके लिए लेकर आऊंगा. मैं टिपिकल रिव्यूज वाले अब वीडियो नहीं करने वाला हूँ, कुछ अलग आपके लिए मैं लेकर आने वाला हूँ मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में. थोड़ा सा मैंने स्ट्रैटेजी रिवाइज की है मेरे चैनल की. सो आई होप यू लाइक इट. अगर आपको कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स वगैरह मेरे चैनल पे देखने को चाहिए या कोई और टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट आपको देखना है तो प्लीज कमेंट कीजिए. मैं हर एक कमेंट आपके पढ़ूंगा. अगर मैंने रिप्लाई भी नहीं किया तो प्लीज बुरा मत मानना, बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर आई एम रीडिंग ऑल ऑफ योर कमेंट्स, क्योंकि चैनल मेरे लिए नहीं है, आपके लिए. सो गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड आई होप यू हैव अ गुड वीकेंड. एनीवे, सो टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.